It's been raining, but I thought we'd have a little wander around the garden. There's a nice delphinium in here, nice pale blue. A little bit wild as usual. This little acer here is getting a bit big. Not sure about cutting that. It's definitely getting big. The roses are doing really well just now. After the rain. Lots of heads. This is a little ground cover clematis, which is really nice, along with the other purple. And over here, nice red roses, and a pink one. See what else there is. Another nice red rose, but these pink ones are really lovely just now, and an orange one at the back. Rhododendrons are nearly finished, and the lupins are nearly finished. I need to get them cut down. The wee rockery's looking nice. And along there, my sweet peas, they're coming on fine. Had a few bunches of them. Another nice rose. Got a lot of colour in the garden just now. At the back is, well, I thought it was a plant, but I have a feeling it's a weed. It's quite high, it's about 4 feet high, but we'll keep an eye on it, it's fine just now. These are new rockery plants that I got last week. Rachel's wanting some. And I have a trough at the back there, I'll show you that in a minute, that I'm hoping to put them in. And these as well, falling over in the wind. These were little Christmas trees, they were just £1. They had artificial snow on them, which have obviously they've been hanging about since Christmas, but they've got some nice new growth on them. So I'm going to put them either in Rachel's little rockery she's wanting to do with a little house, or in this trough here, which I bought last year and I've not used. Hostas are doing really well, and no slugs. Another one. Some bit messy here, but likes the damp, ferns and things. I'll let you have a little look in the greenhouse, which is going a bit wild, but if all the yellow turns into tomatoes, I'm going to have so many tomatoes. Just two bush tomatoes there, covered. And then my plants are doing not too badly. I've started feeding them because some of the leaves were curling a little bit, but there's nothing on them. There's no insects, so I'm not quite sure why they're curling. But saying that, the tomatoes are starting to form, and the marigolds are doing well, and they're hopefully doing their job to keep away any insects. Some more there, they're looking really nice. These were just little plug plants that I got. Come on really, really well. Right, wait, we'll go outside again. Pots are coming on. This is Aqualegia is still looking nice, the one that managed to grow from seeds. Not sure what all these things are, wait and see. There's a nice rose coming. Oh, there was a wee flower on this morning. Oh, there it is. I don't know what kind of geranium that is, but I bought it above Aberfeldy in the garden centre. That's its first flower. Quite nice. Oh, I have a feeling that's Rachel coming. The alliums are doing well. I like them, and the delphiniums are doing well. And that's a salvia coming out. That's perennial one because that was there last year. Nice white rose. Right. And some more orange roses and the strantia. this I've forgotten what you call it. It's just lovely. The lime green, and then that lime green bush behind. It's looking nice there. This is penstemon sour grapes, which is just a lovely colour. Blue, purpley colour. As you can hear, someone's arrived. Here he comes. Biscuits he's got. I'll do another video after.